Welcome back, kids. Today let's learn about light. Light is a form of energy which our sense of sight can detect. It is a form of useful energy that supports life. Light does not need a medium to travel. It can travel in vacuum. The speed of light in a vacuum is 300 million meters per second. Light travels in different speeds in different media. In the same medium, light travels in straight lines. The path along which light travels is called a ray. Light rays are represented by arrows indicating their direction of motion. A beam of light is made up of a bundle of rays. It can be parallel, divergent or convergent. Objects that give out light of their own are called luminous. For example, the sun, the hot gases in a flame, and the hot filament of a bulb are some luminous objects around us. Some living things like fireflies, glowworms and some fishes use chemical reactions that make their bodies glow with light. This kind of light is called cold light as it is not emitted at high temperature. Have you ever seen a firefly? Tell us in the comments section below. Objects that do not give out light of their own are said to be non-luminous. Non-luminous objects can only be seen when light falling on them reflects into our eyes. Do you know that moon is a non-luminous object? Moon has no light of its own. Moon reflects the light of the sun, hence it appears shining. Some materials allow light to pass through them while others don't. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through them. There are many opaque materials around us. Wood, metals, concrete, ceramics and certain plastics are examples of opaque objects. When light is shone on an opaque object, a shadow is formed behind it. Transparent materials allow almost all the light to pass through them. This property allows us to see through transparent objects. No shadow is formed when light is shone on a transparent object. Glass, water and air are some examples. Translucent materials allow some light to pass through and scatters the rest. We cannot see clearly through translucent materials. Objects behind translucent materials like frosted glass look blur. Faint shadows are formed behind translucent objects when light is shone on them. Let's see what you have learned. Look around you and name one opaque, one transparent and one translucent object. Write your answers in the comments. This brings us to the end of the video. If you have any queries you can write to us at thestudypod01@gmail.com.